Alright guys, I'm back today with another video. This one is going to be brought to you by the company WestKissHair. And of course, you guys already know, if you aren't subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. Also turn those notifications on so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. This is what comes in the bag. They do give you a wig cap and also an elastic band. This is their deep wave 6x6 lace front wig. I do have it in the length 22 inches and also 180% in density. And I did ask for a small cap size. Like, I needed to be able to wear this unit because I was looking for something that would be easy for me to wear every day. Now this one does come with your standard cap construction. You do get your soft lace. It comes with 2 combs on the side, a comb in the back, and your adjustable straps. And it also states it does come with a medium lace color, but as you guys can see, that lace color is a little bit light. So I probably will have to go in and add a little bit of my tint. Now this unit is also in a natural black hair color. On the website, it does state that this can be dyed to a lighter color. This is also the parting space. Now I only lightly bleached the knots. I did not want to go too harsh on the knots because the knots aren't big at all. So powder will definitely conceal everything. And I'm going to show you guys once I'm done finishing styling and it dries how good the knots look. Like, it looks like scalp once you add your powder in. So I'm just going to curve my part today, and I wanted to do a side part just because I have been doing a lot of middle part lately. And then I am going to just take a little bit of hair out of the front. Now this one does come with a pre-plucked hairline. You can go in and pluck a little bit more of the hair out. I didn't feel like it needed to be done, but that is all a personal preference. But I'm going to just take out a little bit of the hair. I'm going to trim some of that hair down, and then I'm just going to create a little bit of swoops in the front area. As always, the baby hairs are not required for every look, not every style, but it's a personal thing. Once again, of course, you guys know that when I do my videos, I like to show you styles without baby hairs and then some styles with baby hairs. And you guys already know I'm okay with the baby hair look as long as it's just not excessive. That's just how I prefer to rock it. I like for mine to look as natural as possible. So I'm just going to swoop them over just a little bit. They are not going to be thick and they are not going to be just out there. Style the front of this unit, I will be using my Lotta body foam wrap. And of course, you guys know, as always, when I use products, I list them down below in the description area for anybody who is interested. I also did wash this unit using my Aussie moist shampoo and conditioner. I had no issues when washing out this hair. I did get a little bit of shedding when I washed the unit because the curl pattern was definitely tighter, and now it is more looser and it's giving me the deep wave look. Now to style the hair, I am using a different foam wrap. This is, I believe, the honey and milk curl mousse, and I'll leave that down below also. This is my favorite thing to use for curly hair and also deep wave hair because it helps control the frizz and it also leaves a nice shine to the units, and of course it smells good and it's very lightweight. It was very easy for me to style. As you guys can see, it did not take me long. I didn't go through a whole bunch of steps. So now I'm just going to let the unit air dry, and then I will come back to it when it is completely dried down. So this is what the unit looks like now that it has been freshly dried. It's still giving off the wet look, but the Lotta body foam wrap does do that. So once I fluff it out, you guys will see. Now I'm putting the unit on my head. I did not have to use the elastic band because this fits me perfectly. Now, of course, if I decided to go out and I wanted to, you know, be flipping my hair back and forth or the wind was blowing, I would only probably use a wig grip underneath it for extra security, but it fits me really good. Now on the website, they do carry a small, medium, and large. For anybody who is wondering, I am a 21 to a 21 and a half, which is considered a small cap size. But like I said, every company's cap size does fit me differently. Some mediums fit me really good and some can be really big. The only thing about cutting the lace off of a closure unit, sometimes you want to make sure you cut off enough of that side, which is why I kind of swoop some of the hair over a little bit because that little part can show. It's not hard to conceal that. You can always go in with a little dark marker, or some like eyeshadow and just conceal that little flap over there so it won't be showing. But now I'm just going to go in with my Ruby Kisses 3D Contour Creator Powder Palette, and I'm just going to put this into the hairline and also into the parting space, and it worked out perfectly. Now I did tint the lace on this just a little bit using my tailored crowns in the color light medium. I'm gonna make sure to leave that link down below because that is the tint that I like to use at this current moment. But yeah, the powder is definitely helping me to conceal this out a little bit better. Now I'm just going to go in with the Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Serum. You do not need a lot of this serum when you are using that Lotta Body Foam Wrap because you don't want this to come off looking too shiny and unnatural. But this is also going to help protect with any type of frizz also, because as you guys can see, as I fluffed up that one side, it is going to get bigger. Now it looked a little bit thin after I washed it, but once I started to fluff it up, it started to definitely come to life. You also want to make sure you focus on moisturizing the very ends of the hair with the serum. And then I'm just going to take this comb and I'm going to comb over some of the parts where the mousse was still molded in because I don't want it to look crunchy. And then I will be going over this with my wax and then just taking my hot comb and just kind of pressing it down just a little bit because I want to make sure that this is looking flat. As you guys know, if the roots aren't curly or wavy, I don't mind pressing it out just a little bit just to make sure that everything is laying flat. Now I'm also going to kind of swoop over some of those hairs by the closure piece that is showing, and then I will be going in with my Glam Force spray. I'm going to spray a little bit on my edge brush, and then I will be going over the very front of the hair to lay down any of those shorter hairs that I see, and then I will be taking this and kind of swooping them over the hairs that I created in the front. It's just going to help it lay a little bit more, and it just gives me extra security. Yeah guys, this is the final look. I feel like it all came together. Now of course, like I said, once I molded the hair down, it was coming off a little bit thin, but once I started to fluff this unit up, it is perfect. The density on this is not doing too much. As you guys can see, I'm feeling myself, but the density on this is not too much. Even though it says it's 180%, I feel like it's not super heavy, and the hair is very soft also. Now like I said, this is a natural black color. It says that you can lighten this unit up to a 27, I believe, on the website if you would like to. I have not tried to add any color on this particular unit, but it does say on the website that it can be dyed or bleached. And then this is the wave pattern. Now once again, when you take it out of the package, it does give you a more spiral curl pattern, a little bit more tighter, but the waves will pop once you wash and set everything. You can put this into a low ponytail, still giving me a good amount of density. Now on the website, this unit goes all the way up to 24 inches. And then if you want some shorter hair for the summertime, you can get a 10-inch also. Let's speak on this closure. This closure is so beautiful, okay? Like I said, you can't even tell where the knots are. The powder definitely took care of it. I only left the bleach on for about 10 minutes because I did not want to heavily bleach this unit. I felt like it didn't need it, but I am so happy that the companies are coming out with the 6x6, the 7x7s, even the 5x5 closures. Closures still matter, guys. I love closures because it's so easy to deal with. They are easier to maintain, and you don't have to worry about gluing your unit down, freeze spraying it down. It's just more easier for me to deal with, and it's more realistic for everyday use. Guys, let me know what you think about this unit. I am feeling it. Very easy to deal with. If you guys are interested, of course, I'm going to make sure to leave all the links down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn those notifications on, share and like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.